walked off the water with the books in their hand, saying, show us the rivers, please show us the land. And we, with the hearts of the warm summer sun, we welcomed the strangers, we didn't see the gun. They wrote in their diaries, they measured the stone, they smiled at our children, they sat in our home. We offered them water, we offered them bread, but they were counting the gold underneath where we tread. It was psychological warfare, dressed up as a friend, the beginning of a story we didn't know then. The explorer mapped the mountain and the mineral, the missionary mapped.
Very smart. When mommy gets in the water, they get in the water. That's mommy and daddy with the kids this morning. There they are, a very close up. No.